Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Will coming at you with another video. So sorry about not uploading yesterday, Monday, like my regular time. I have exams this week, figuring out this new camera, waiting on car parts, you know, all sorts of things. So I got excuses. Bottom line is video wasn't out on time yesterday, and next week I'll try to have it back out on time. So today, I'm going to be replacing the little white side markers with smoked out DEPO LED markers. Now, lots of people have done this on their car. It's a pretty simple DIY. We're just going to slide the old ones off, slide the new ones on. I believe that we will be reusing part of the stock assembly, so I'll guide you guys through that, and we'll make sure that everything is done properly. I really think that this can bring out a very clean look on a black car in particular, or a darker colored car, because the white is such a just a contrast. You have a black car, black, 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 and then this little white speck. So it's something I've been meaning to do for a really long time, and I'm finally getting around to doing it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video and you know, see how these things look. Alright, removing the factory one is fairly simple. You'll just push back and at the same time hook your finger behind it and pull out. So this is the factory one right here. This is probably the one that's been on the car since it was new. This will be what we replace it with. Alright, so we have to remove this white piece on the back and remove the bulb and reuse this white assembly. Now it doesn't want to come out, so I'm trying to figure it out right now. Alright, there's a little tab right here that has to be pulled back to remove. A pick tool might be useful in this instance. I think I'm going to go and grab myself one. So eventually, after much working and prying the tab up and being very careful not to break it, it did come out. So we'll remove the bulb now. Okay, now connecting the LED connectors into where the old bulb sat, and then we'll put the new one on. So the final assembly will look something to this effect, and we'll just reconnect it, and before we actually put it into the car, we'll make sure it works. And now we have an LED side marker. And it's in there. It's secure. And now the only process to do is just to go back and do it again on the other side. Hey guys, I hope you like the new look on the car. I'm very much a fan of it. I think it looks much more modern. I think it looks much better being smoked and not you know, having a white spot distracting from the whole look of the entire car. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Leave this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel out a lot. Subscribe if you're new. And I hope you guys enjoyed this new camera, because it's been pretty fun to film with. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.